Making the presentation after a Holy Mass to mark the celebration of Jesus the Savior in the Holy Eucharist, the Papa representative to Nigeria, His Excellency Most Reverend Antonio Philipazzi, said, "The Holy See is granting the approval after monitoring the activities in the Pilgrimage Center and the favorable reports of various investigative teams." He commended the zeal and focus of the rector and founder, Very Reverend Father Emmanuel Ede, through whom the sanctuary was made possible. His Excellency Most Reverend Philipazzi had earlier in his homily described Eucharist as a means of achieving reconciliation with God through Christ and urged thousands of pilgrims present to utilize the opportunity of the elevation to seek reconciliation with God through Jesus the Savior and his mother Mary.
But we forget that we need the forgiving and helping grace in order to imitate Jesus and to be saved.
In their separate addresses, Reverend Father Oliver Udaya, who spoke on behalf of members of the Sanctuary of Jesus the Savior and Mother Mary, His Lordship, Very Reverend Patrick Eluke, the Auxiliary Bishop of Port Harcourt, each gave account of how the ministry began since 1976. While Father Udaya spoke on the realization of an age-long design plan in spite of the efforts of detractors, Bishop Eluke said Port Harcourt Diocese is rejoicing with Father Ede for the noble achievements. The 4-day celebration, which was well attended, began with a concelebrated high mass, parading so many bishops and ecclesiastical dignitaries. Present at the Eucharistic celebration in the Church of Jesus the Savior includes former President Catholic Bishops Conference of Nigeria, Cardinal John Onaikon, His Grace Archbishop Alaba Job, among others. In his homily, His Eminence John Cardinal Onaikon said, "The elevation of the Elele National Pilgrimage Center to an international sanctuary will bring salvation not only to the people of Nigeria but the world at large."
We run to the Holy Eucharist, whether in the chapel or in the church, whenever He is made available, to pour out our hearts whenever we are in need.
The Bishop of Okadasis, Most Reverend Paulinus Ezekafo, in his speech said he always feels the presence of God anytime he visits the sanctuary in Elele, noting that he is not surprised at the elevation. There was also the blessing of Gigantic Church of Jesus the Savior by the Papa Nuncio, His Excellency Most Reverend Antonio Guido Philipazzi. Earlier in a thought-provoking sermon, the man who presented the certificate of a national sanctuary for the ministry 2 years ago, the Archbishop of Abuja and the then President Catholic Bishop Conference of Nigeria, Most Reverend Ignatius Kaigama, said the conference followed due process in recommending the center for approval to the Holy See. Pilgrims, he said, should utilize the opportunity of the elevation of Elele Sanctuary to embrace the 3 pillars of life present in Elele today. The ceremony did not end without a word from the founder and rector of the sanctuary, Very Reverend Father Emmanuel Ede.
So every achievement with regard to our getting the international sanctuary approved by Rome, it should go to Jesus the Savior and His Mother Mary. Not to me, because I am what? Nothing.
With this approval from the Holy See, the Sanctuary of Jesus the Savior and Mother Mary, Elele, Rivers State, Nigeria, is now elevated to the status of an international pilgrimage center, Emeka Okpala, in Elele, Nigeria.